In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when it says an unknown error occurred on Instagram. So this can happen for many reasons, and I'll show you some fixes that you can apply. So let's just get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is just close out of Instagram. On my phone, this is an Android. I have a button on the bottom left hand corner. If I press that, it'll show me all my open apps. Then I just need to close out of Instagram and go back into Instagram. You can see it loaded up a fresh session of Instagram. Now, if that doesn't solve the problem, what you want to do is you want to switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data if you're on Wi-Fi. So how to do that is you swipe down from the top of your screen, and then you just want to turn off the Wi-Fi. And if you're on data, turn off the data and go onto Wi-Fi, because sometimes when you don't have a strong enough internet connection, either you in a mobile data area that doesn't have much signal, or your Wi-Fi signal is acting poorly. Doing this can solve the issue for you. So do that, and then you can go back into Instagram and see if that fixes the problem. The next thing you can try and do is restart your phone. So all I need to do is press down on the power button for a few seconds and then tap on the restart button. Sometimes restarting your phone can just sort out any problems that's happening within your apps on your phone. So you can try restart your phone. And then the last thing you want to try, if that doesn't work either, is go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and search up Instagram. I'm on the Google Play Store, so I search Instagram on the Play Store. And then you want to make sure if there's an update available for your Instagram, you want to make sure that you update to the latest version of Instagram, because it could be a bug causing the issue of the unknown error occurred. So once you've updated your Instagram app, you can also try restart your phone again once you've updated your app, and then go back into Instagram. Once it's updated, it'll turn blue, it'll turn green again and say open. Just tap on open and see if that solves the problem. So those are some fixes you can try if you're getting the unknown error occurred message on Instagram. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.